Balago Matai Group will present a drama on corruption in mining. We have on the screen is our content for what we'll do today for our drama. So please do watch. The quest for social economic well-being for any nation has its benefit and repercussion. This group will portray the activities by some mining companies in its ventures for natural resources. In the quest for this mining expedition, the survey was carried out in the Boa province.
Okay, hold on to it, hold on. To the left, a little bit to the left, to the left. Yes, you can take a sample now. Let me take a look.
Okay?
Yes, I think you should make the call.
Hello, sir. I think you might be interested in something.
Survey concluded that minerals was present. Company director was notified for this finding. The head of government meets the investor and conveys the good news. The investor thanks the heads of government for selecting their tender and presenting a gift of appreciation, which was quite substantial for this type of gift category. Head of government was pleased and has arranged a consultant well known to him to prepare an environmental impact assessment report for the investor. Meanwhile, whilst the investor was directed to meet the consultant, the head of government summoned various heads of government departments that are involved in the mining ventures. During the meeting with the investor, the consultant assured the investor that the report will be done. The investor presents a gift token and promises the consultant that more gifts will be given upon presentation of a positive and a favorable environmental impact assessment report. During the government official meetings, the high-ranking civil servants were briefed to facilitate the mining projects without pay. A stern warning was given to the various heads to expedite this mining process with the relevant stakeholders. All were warned to toe the line of Shiva. Arrangement for the meeting with the landowners was arranged with the Rokotimboa. The following week, a meeting between the various heads of clans and government officials convened at South an isolated location. The investor is greeted with the heads of clans by the government officials.
Pulare, pulare. Pulare.
During the discussion, the investor promises to build the village church, schools, and the community hall. The heads of clans who present were delighted. The investor presents a gift of token to the heads of clans and invites them for lunch and drinks.
1 million. We go eat.
Apart from the trust fund that has been promised to them $1 million in their gift, they were taken for lunch and drinks. Late in the evening, when the heads of clans were in the state of drunkenness, they were given the consent paper to sign, which they did without hesitation.
Dios, oh,
okay land transport.
Do ti ko naman turang do rega ni sabi ti mo matan singenday. Na wireless sila sa matan tu.
Sabi na.
Ito na ba yung ministry? Nati ka talaga, nandun yung business. Ikili yung
Sabi na.
Alright, dito mo, alright, ni sa Tarawawa, ito na nung doon nilut.
Sabi mo kaya nawawa.
Hindi, nung doon nga, meron ka nawawa, tinatari mo luto mo.
Hindi na.
Sa talaman ni ko na pala, nandun yung business.
Ayos.
Na may lang sa kanila Tarawawa, tinatari mo luto. Doon nung doon lang ako ni ba missionary. Doon talaga nung doon lang ako. Misul niya asal. Na ribator takteng ko, nasa tangin doon ng unang lang may kina. Ano ito ang doon ko?
Ano tama mo ko po? Okay lang kumain pa eh.
Ano sila mga direkta ni Herbar,
Pamatal lagi na bigay. Ano man lagi na bigay?
Ako sir niya ito sa nakamot na environmental impact assessment sa ating sa Piyang Bola ng Kalipola. Sino ba talaga nung do yung bola?
Baik mo ako rin. Ako na. Taro na.
Borito, okay na, mundo sa ita ka ng konsep kung sa ramisto electrical board, may kuya sa ilyenda, isa na sulit ko ay Ronald Tour na to.
Debito?
Ronald Tour na to.
Oh! Sa kaibi. Sa ini biar saya ini, sana asal bisuka. Kuya ang auto? Oy. Masya.
Doy ko man una na tataw dito dito sa alis.
Few months later, mining machinery arrives and the mining operation begins.
Nakakamahin buwan.
After months of mining operation, the village reacted angrily to the displeasure incident that has occurred in their daily activities. From the unexpected wealth required from mining, domestic violence rises in the village. Coming from the river and saying, the river is dead.
Alay, tawago! Alay, tawago! Awal itu kamu sa kurna ng lubas. Kay simba ko na.
Kalir.
Women returning from the sea, and there is no fish. Villagers disappointed with this and confronted the village heads. With regret, collectively decided to seek advice and representation from the Mbati-Balabu Matai Group, Semester 2. 2016 to conduct the research and suggest a solution to mining. They have come up with this brilliant practical solution which could be used as benchmark in Fiji and the Pacific, and now presented to the public for discussion and debate in future. Mbati-Balabu has come up with solutions during the research and discussion. We have landowners should hold 30% of the equity more on prospect mining company. When we have 30% of the mining company on the stake of the company, they will have a board directors a seat within the company. At least they can have decide on the policy matters about the company. Second one, the Environment Independent Assessment Report to report by 2 independent organizations. What we have here is a dilemma when we do the EIA report. The company or the mining prospect hires the EIA, yes, to do their own EIA. But who does a negative EIA report to a hiring company? It has to be done independently. Third one, mandatory awareness program to conduct to all landowners affected by the mining. This is what we have come up. 60% of the landowners should attend the awareness done for the effect of mining. Why we choose 60%? Because when you want to mine now, for the members of the VKB, Wolani Kambula, 60% of the landowners has to give consent before a project carried out on their land. Third one, the stringent monitoring and enforcement of mining activities by relevant government authorities. As a lot of governments have now been development focused, everything has been compromised. Every departments are interdependent. They cannot work independently. So we would recommend if the government department, especially the Department of Environment, are independent, just like the PICAC, every other government departments which acted independently. Fourth one, the exploit development of alternate commodity as sandalwood. There are a lot of money can be earned by poor if they sell sandalwood compared to bauxite. Government to take a leading role in promoting eco-friendly development. That could be a very critical matters, because now a lot of governments are going for development in the expenses of eco developments. They go first, whichever who gives the biggest money to offer to the government. And the last one is measures against corruption in the mining projects to be put in place to monitor and enforce. This is one of the triggering issues in our local environment now. When we try to monitor the activities in mining, because the government itself, the top hierarchy governments, are now involved personally in carrying out the feasibility and the activities carried out in the mining. On our solution, it is fortunate that in Mbati-Balabu have created their own lyrics for the making, and they even created a new making, which they will present today for the alternate solution that they came up with of addressing mining.
Nine
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Mbati Malabu Group 2016 UU 204.
And first of all, thank you for highlighting the issue of mining. It's an upcoming issue, an issue that not a lot of people are talking about, or a lot of people are choosing not to talk about. And the fact that you've chosen that as your topic here tonight, and I'm sure Joey is very happy as well, because we are all sort of involved in the anti-mining movement. You mentioned Bua. We do a lot of work with the Bua urban youth to actually get the issues of Bua highlighted in the media. So I'm glad that you've done a bit of research. I'm very happy that you used a number of ways to deliver your message. There was PowerPoint, there was drama, there was the voodoo, and then there was the making. So I'm very happy, and I feel that you should be very happy with yourselves, because you can tell that you've really prepared for tonight. The props that were used, the movement of the props. So congratulations and well done on such a beautiful presentation.
I'd just like to congratulate you. Thank you. That was a really, the presentation itself shows that you did your research. You highlighted very important issues in mining, in extractive industries, not only for Fiji but in the Pacific, where we have issues of, like you said, environmental impact assessments, free buying for informed concerns. We need to speak to our people in the villages, inform them about impacts of